Yesterday was the 5th anniversary of DACA, or Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, the Obama program that allowed certain people brought here as children to live and work lawfully in the United States. And late yesterday evening, the Department of Homeland Security issued a memo that seems to indicate that DACA will survive. Now, the memo itself was in the context of ending DAPA. DAPA was the later program that was going to allow parents of United States citizen children to get the same protections as people under DACA. It had been on hold since a Texas court several years ago issued an injunction. The U.S. Supreme Court had divided on it evenly, and it set yesterday as a deadline for the parties to tell them how the case would proceed. So last night, the Department of Homeland Security, in its memo, which is now posted on its website, said that DAPA is revoked. There will be no DAPA, there will be no expanded DACA. But they indicated at the very end that the president is not going to cancel the DACA program and is going to allow people who have work permits under DACA to renew them. This is a large reversal of the president's campaign promise, where he had sworn that he would end DACA as soon as he got into office. Frankly, immigration attorneys have been watching the president and trying to read tea leaves for a few months to let our clients know what should they be doing. Should they be filing new DACA applications? Should they be filing renewals? What was the risk and what was the benefit? And many had come down on the side of saying it was okay to renew them, but they were very unsure about whether filing new ones would trigger enforcement action. Last night's memo seems to indicate that the DACA program will continue in its current form and that people can file new applications and renewals. Of course, with this administration, you never really know from one day to another what's going to happen. But this news is significant enough that it's being widely reported today, and it should be seen as a relief, particularly for those people who hold DACA right now and were concerned about whether they would lose the jobs that they held and the futures that they were building. So, for today, looking into the future, it appears that DACA is safe and that DACA applications will continue to be processed. Stay tuned to the news to see what the future actually holds. If you find these videos helpful, please follow us on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us and contact us on the web at www.lesterlaw.org. If you need to reach us by telephone, you can do that at 423-402-0608. Until next time, stay strong, stay safe. We'll see you soon.